Let's learn how to create line chart using Python. Okay, so with a few libraries, as you can see, you see that this line chart displays population growth uh, from the year 2000 to 2024. Of course, the more data you add, the more it's going to be doing it dynamically. All right, so line chart is a great way to visualize data, and it's very easy to read. So it shows you the progress and progression and so on. So let's get right into it. Open your editor, so as you have here. So we've done other ones like bar chart, column, bar chart, then pie chart, as you can see. So this particular one is line chart, and there's some code that we also need to borrow from what we have done before regarding the exercises that we have done before. Okay, so like I said, we have visualized data in pie chart, and of course in bar chart. So this particular one is line chart. Okay, so very similar because we are working with the same data. It's actually a series of the other data visualization we have done. Simple one for that matter. All right, but it's very useful. Okay, so now we have this more or less template because it looks like the other one. Okay, so if you, as you can see here, so if you run it now, it will show you the data at the a few data at the terminal, and of course, just like we have done as our tradition, we have it blank like this. Okay, so nothing to show yet, but that just gives you the environment the chart will be in. So what we do now, we need to look through the data. So we'll now use a for loop. So we'll now say for country in group, which we created in line 7, the variable created in line 7, then country, then unique, that is going to work with unique country, just in case you have maybe you have duplicate of country in terms of when you are visualizing. So we have country for country in grouped country array. Then okay, so make sure that the spelling is correct and it's in the right case. Okay, so country here is a capital letter in terms of the one that you have within the grouped array. All right, so plt.plot. So here we are plotting the data. Okay, so we plot the data for the year and the country data, which we created in line 13. Then, of course, the country data being that of year and population. So, of course, since it's a line chart, needs to have a marker. Then, of course, we work on we determine the line style. So, on the line style, then we have a little dash there. Then label equals country. That is the label. What is going to be the label, as you can see here. So just type line 12 to line 15 correctly, and of course you would have typed the rest one before you got here. Okay, so this is the code. So if you run it now, this is what you are going to be greeted with. Let me see. Okay, there's a little error there. Let's see. So, okay. So that's supposed to be 0, not O. It's supposed to be O, not 0. Yeah. Supposed to be O. That marker equals to O, not 0, like I did before. Okay, corrected. Let's run it again. So if you run it now, see what it gives us. So you see that it opens like this. Okay, so now that it opens like this, so you can see the progression. So the population has been growing from 2000 to 2024, and it's in the upward trend, not really going down. Okay, so of course you can try with other data from other countries. So this is for UK. So you can see that at UK it also goes up. Okay, but a little bit, slightly down a little bit at some point. It wasn't that upward that much compared to that of Nigeria. Okay, so all right, so I just tested it with a different data. Okay, for using the one from UK. This is just a simple data visualization. It's more than this, so it's a way to start. You experiment with it, work with other data, and see how it works. Remember that this data comes from an external source, which is datasets.xlsx. All right, so hope this helps somebody out there. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video and share it. See you in another video. Thank you.